there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I'm at Wekiva Springs and I'm going to be canoeing down the Wekiva River. We went to Wekiva Springs State Park and rented a canoe there. I also have a video on the Wekiva Springs, so check that out in the link in the description below. The Wekiva River is designated as a wild and scenic river. This river is fed by the Wekiva Springs. The paddling trip was beautiful and easy. We saw lots of birds and turtles. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the wildlife. I hope you enjoyed watching all the wildlife on the Wekiva Springs River Run. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.